How to send USDC to Phantom Wallet. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily deposit USDT on your Phantom Wallet using a centralized exchange wallet. For this, I'm going to be showing you using Binance. So open up your Binance account. You're going to need a verified account on any of the centralized exchange wallets. And from here, you want to head over to your Wallets tab at the bottom right corner to get an idea of how much USDC you have. Once you have noted that, you can just go ahead and go to the option to withdraw. Tap on withdraw, and then from there, select the USDC token itself and click on withdraw. Now from here, click on send via crypto network, and you need an address here. For that, open up your Phantom wallet, and then from here, you can just click on send and receive. So select receive option. Then you can receive using Solana, Ethereum, or Polygon. So in this case, copy any one you want. So let's say copy the Solana address, go back to Binance, and then if you paste on it, Binance is going to automatically detect the address and select the network as Solana. Enter the withdrawal amount, and then you just click on withdraw. After doing so, you should be able to deposit USDC to your Phantom wallet. And it's as easy as that. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'll catch you guys on the next one.